Hello, this is DJ Mobile 14 giving you another tutorial on how to fix your 360 and its disk drive problems such as the grinding noise and the disk reading error. And so I have two solutions how to fix this. The first solution is very simple. What you want to do is you want to take this off. It may not come off easily because I already unscrewed all the portions. The screws are from like right here on this thing, on this one right here. So it's on all four sides. Once you get them unscrewed, you just want to take this off. And this is what the inside looks like. This is the cover. No problems at all. So you have a little round ring magnet piece. That's all the way over there. I can point it out to you. It's right here. This little magnet piece. Now it might not be there because like, this is the whole problem to like the disk reading error. That might be like the whole problem to it. Well, it's my problem. I'm not sure for others. So this is the first solution how to do it. Now this may be loose or out, and it might be like on this thing. Now what you want to do to fix the problem is that you want to take some super glue, such as this one called Gorilla. You can find it anywhere, such as Rite Aid or any small store. And you just want to take the magnet and you just want to glue it right back on, so it can be on tightly. Now, if it still runs, it still does that grinding noise, then this is what you have to do. See, this is the cover. Now you have this little round piece. You can see the outline to it. All you can do is just take it off, but you might want to take it off with a knife because it's glued on. And you can take it off. Once you find this piece right here. Once you have this piece on, you can just attach it right here. Simple. But let me show you how to do it. When you turn your 360, you either put the disc in first. Once you have the disc, I'm just taking any kind of disc. Now all you gotta do is that when you put the disc in, before you turn your 360, you put this on first. When the 360 turns on, it's gonna load it and it's gonna spin. You know it's gonna have a grinding noise, but this is the solution how to fix it. You place your finger on it, and you're supposed to press on it, not that hard, and the disc will load. Simple. I can't show you how it actually works because my power brick doesn't work and it's malfunctioning, so I have to get a new one from Amazon or eBay, either one. Now that's the first solution. It might work. Here is another simple one from before. All you gotta do is just the magnet's loose or just missing, and it is on this portion right here. It's gonna be found on the disc tray. All you gotta do is just take the magnet, glue it from behind, and stick it straight back on right here, and the disc will load like new. Place the disc on. Reassemble the cover for the disc drive. Just place this on. Place this back on again. Put it back on. Works brand new. You can try it. You can try it if you like it. That's my new solution how to fix it. It may not work for others, but just try the other pushing down the little metal disc thing I just showed you from before for my first solution, then it probably might work. If it doesn't work, then I have no other kind of solution that will help you. I mean, these are the only solutions I know, and it's been working for me for a while. And I'll probably come up with a third part showing you the my conclusion of what are the things that might happen if you do these kind of solutions. And this was my second part of the tutorial on how to fix the 360. People have been asking me if I can make up a reassembling the Xbox 360 video, and I might do that. But since I don't have all the screws, all I do is just place it in my 360. That's simple. But just stay tuned for like the other parts. This is DJ Mobile. Hope you enjoy this tutorial.